There you go, I'll catch us up. Go on, I'll catch us up.
He will catch us up. We can go. He will catch us up. He's here. We have to go through the gate, not the cattle run over. Maddy.
Let's go.
Daddy, me, Mammy, that looks like a cute little den. Mum can't catch. Mum can catch. Mum can't beat me.
No, it looks like she's beating you.
What?
She's beating you.
Oh, nonsense.
Well, which way are you going? You can't go.
Oh, nonsense. Nonsense. What nonsense? Mum, did you see what I did? Where's Mammy?
Just behind you.
And 2, 3, 2. Good job, you catch up to me though. Mum's getting tired.
Really?
Mum,
I know.
I think she's reminding what a bike ride is. That's so funny. Dad, be careful. Be careful. Be careful. Yeah. That was so funny. Daddy! Dad! Daddy? Dad?
What? You want those off?
Yeah?
Right, wait there then. Don't whinge. Right?
Yeah, I'm okay. Are we going? Have you been here before?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I walked it last time.
I didn't. I wasn't born. Was I not?
Yeah. My daddy got you here when you were a little baby.
Did you put me in a couch?
Yeah.
What our legs and what our legs going? And our arms can just move about. Oh my. Dad will let us. So we have to wait for Daddy. You can go over these ones, but not this one. Not this one. You can just go over the branches, but not the tree. Dad will do this for us. Dad's drawn. I see Dad's drawn up in the air.
Yeah.
And it's... And I've just saw it. And now it's away. And we're taking out for a horse plot. It's awesome. And I ran over it. So we're going to need to wash my tyres. Pastry, when I get cold, there's running on to get up on my face. All I know, make it cool. So what I know to get up on my face. All I know, make it cool. Yeah, because he's a mile off us.
Is he?
I saw he's drawn go back. When does he ever come back? In about night time. I've been here with Poppy and Lucy. Yeah.
So when you got something
What? Let's just have a little break. Pardon me. Look at that thing. No, that's a bear cave. Why are you walking? What? then, Mum.
Charlie.
Mom. Hi, Mom. Do your skills and do left to right. Look, when I do it, it's much better. Ooh.
Yeah. Yeah, man.
Which way
Mum,
was
get
it?
one.
I'll get a drink.
I made a drink too. Mum, you want one of my Do you want one of my beers? Do you want my beer?
That's it, quick. There you go. Get it in.
Do what I do, look. Do you not like it?
Go on, Mum, we'll catch you up.
Meatball. Meatball. I'm better than you, nearly. Yeah. No, I mean I do better concentrate. Don't I?
Yeah.
Than you. Hiya, Dad.
Hello. Right there. I'll wait for your mummy.
Do you make the drink?
Huh?
Do you make the drink?
No,
Why?
I'll have one when we're done.
She isn't even bike riding. Isn't she not?
Nah.
She isn't proper bike riding. Isn't she not?
Nah.
Mom! Mummy, you're not proper bike riding. Doing your bike pushing up there. So now you'll have to ride it. Would you wish you had my helmet on? Huh?
I wish I had a bike like yours.
But you want the one with a throttle, don't you? Yeah. And how old are you going to be on your birthday?
41.
When you're 41, I will get you one.
Oh, thanks.
And it will be the same as mine.
Alright.
We're at the top of the...
You cracked my fist and over. I'm getting a little bit tired.
Yeah, I'm not even pedaling.
I don't need to.
Yeah, go on, Mammy.
Go on, Mammy.
Shout me.
What?
Shout it.
Go on, Mammy.
It's nearly all downhill now, honest.
Yeah, nearly all downhill. Geez, nearly not.
Go on, front.
Me?
Yeah,
Because I know how to do it.
that's right.
Look at me.